Front differential oil change on a 2016 TRD off-road. First thing you need to do is remove this front skid plate. 4 bolts under here. Remove the rear skid plate, which I can't get off. That bolt is stripped. Once you do that, you will take a 10mm hex wrench. This is the drain bolt, and the fill bolt is just up there. Take the fill bolt out, and then take the drain bolt out. Drain the fluid. Should take 1.6 quarts of 75/85. I'm using the red line. I just have a couple extra quarts here. I just did the rear last night. So we're going to, this hasn't been changed. This is a 16, it's never been changed. I've got 53,000 miles. Here we go. Looks kind of nasty. Not too bad though, for being 8 years old. So, oh shit.